Right. Bend over a little bit. No, keep bend. Yep, there you go. Like you're pulling something out of the ground. Keep your back straight. Yep. Bend over some more. Good. All right, go ahead on the iron. Bend over some more. Right. Yep, there you go. Good. Okay, go ahead and do your push-ups. All the way down. All the way down. You gotta go all the way down with your push-ups. All the way down. All the way down. All the way down. All right, do your squats on the ball. That's right. Sit on the ball. Go ahead. Right. Good. Up. Yep. Bounce off the ball. Yep. Bounce off the ball. Bounce off the ball. Bounce off the ball. With the ball. Oh, that's okay. Get up. I do it right there where the ball can stay in place. Yeah, that way the ball stay in place. Good. Yeah, right there. Good. Keep your back straight. Yeah. All right, now do the bench press what I told you about on the ball. Good. Good. Keep your head down. Good. Good. Take them all the way down. Take your time. Okay. Get up and do the leg exercise. Okay. Good. Now keep your back straight. Step way out. Okay. Good. Keep your back straight. Good. Keep your back straight. Good.